Inheriting land can be the same as almost inheriting a house. There's a lot of different stuff that comes with it, such as paying taxes and upkeep and stuff like that. So it can become a little overwhelming when you find out that you've inherited land and you don't really know what to do with it. So in this video right here, I'm going to give you a few different things that you can do when you inherit land. The first thing that we always advise people whenever they come to us and they ask about what they should do with their land is we always ask, have you spoken to any of your family members? Because a lot of times the family wants to keep that land in the family. So talking to them, you might actually be able to get it sold a lot faster than really even us, even though we purchase homes within 7 to 14 days sometimes, or even land 7 to 14 days. If you go and you speak with one of your family members, they might actually want to keep it in the family, and you might be able to have your own like buyer right there. The next thing you can do is for sale by owner. And basically what you would do is go to Zillow, Trulia, Facebook Marketplace, different places like that. What you would do is you take a picture of the land, you take it from a couple different angles, put the description on there, and then place it on these different sites. And with the market being a little hotter right now, you might get some hits, you might not. It just really depends. It's kind of hit or miss, but that way you don't really have to pay any type of fees to realtors or anything like that. It's more of a direct to buyer type of thing, but you do have to do a little bit of marketing to get that sold. The next strategy, and this is a great strategy, as I said before, since the market is so hot, is giving it to a realtor. If you let a realtor list the house, then they can get a lot of eyeballs. Well, not the house, the land, I'm sorry. If you let the realtor list the land, they can get a lot of eyeballs on the land, and you could possibly get an offer that is probably better than you thought you could get. The only problem with that though is it might take a lot longer, and it's kind of hard. It's kind of hit or miss nowadays when it comes to financing with the different banks, because you might come down to the very last week and you might have all these different things planned that you're going to do with the money, and the bank, it has to back out because something happened with the buyer, and whatever happened, they weren't able to actually finance this land. Now, all three situations, if you want to sell to a family member for sell by owner or listing with the agent, all of these are great avenues, and it's really just depends on whichever fits your needs. But if you want to skip all that, you want to sell to a direct home buyer without doing any marketing, without paying any extra realtor fees or anything like that, reach out to us today. Go to our website, www.nowpropertyinvest.com, and we will be able to give you the options that we have to be able to purchase your land and help you move forward.